Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. So today we are diving into something that I know a lot of you have been asking how to use your Cricut Heat Press. If you've just gotten your hands on one of these awesome machines, or maybe you've had it sitting around and haven't quite figured it out yet, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through simple steps from setting up your heat guide to actually pressing the design onto a shirt. So let's not waste any time and get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is open your browser and search for Cricut Heat Guide. Just type that in and hit enter. Once you've done that, you'll see a link that says cricut.com Heat Guide. Go ahead and click on that to get to the official Heat Guide page. Now, here's where it gets important. You'll see a list of heat transfer material drop down menu. Just click on it and select the one you're planning to use for your project. Next up, you're going to click on the drop down menu that says base material. From there, choose whatever material your shirt is made of. So once you've got all these settings dialed in, it's time to actually get your Cricut press ready to go. Alright, now click on the Cricut Pressing Mat and then hit the apply button. This will show you all the specific instructions you need for using your heat press. First things first, turn on your Cricut press. You will see it power up and light up. Now, press and hold the temperature button until you see the numbers on the screen start flashing. That means it's ready for you to adjust it. Once those numbers are flashing, use the plus and minus buttons to set the temperature to whatever the heat guide recommends. Just keep tapping those buttons until you hit the right number. Note, please keep in mind that the temperature and the press time can vary depending on what type of material you're working with. So always double check that heat guide. Alright, moving on. Now you need to press the timer button. And just like before, use the plus and the minus buttons to set the time you need. So once you've set everything up, just wait for a second. When you hear a beep and the Cricut button turns green, your press is heated up and ready to roll. Okay, now we're getting to the fun part. Lay your t-shirt nice and flat on the Cricut Easy Press mat and then cover it with either butcher paper or a Teflon sheet. Now, press the Cricut button and preheat your shirt for about 5 seconds. This just helps get rid of any wrinkles or moisture that might mess up your transfer. Once that's done, it's time to place your transfer design right onto the shirt where you want it. Then, cover it again with either butcher paper or your Teflon sheet, whichever one you're using. And finally, press your design onto the shirt using the Cricut press. Just follow the timing that the heat guide gave you earlier, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.